How would you feel about school taking up an extra hour every day to teach basic adult stuff like washing clothes, basic cooking, paying taxes? Bye. My life is a throwaway 10. My rural school did this in the 00s. Home EC, sewing, taxes, cooking, woodworking, etc. Could even get into metalworking, accounting, quilting, pottery, etc. if you wanted to. Bye. Dinosaurs deserve love. I'd be opposed to the extra hour. But not the activities. School was already an 8-hour-a-day thing, pushing it up to 9 hours means it actually becomes longer than a full-time job. And that's before you get to homework and shit like that. Bye. Jittery_raccoon. My school had a class like that. Most of the classmates didn't pay attention and now complain 10 years later that they never learned about taxes and credit card interest. Also, some parents were super upset about the school overstepping their boundaries by teaching basic budgeting. I can't imagine that situation has gotten any better in the last 10 years. I'm not against the class being taught, but at the end of the day you have to realize that all that stuff is easily learned once you are an adult with just a minimum amount of research. If someone isn't taking the 15 minutes it takes to learn how to wash their clothes properly or watch a YouTube video for a basic recipe as an adult when they actually need to do those things to function, no way in hell as a teen would they pay attention to a class that tried to teach them that. It's still a good idea to have the class, but it isn't some magical fix everyone seems to think it is. I am against the adding an extra hour of school though on top of regular school though. But, Brutinator. They do it already. It's called life skills here. Edit, 8 hours. It's only 6 here and we get it done. WTF you wasting 3 hours on every day? Thanks and see you in another video.